Electric Pressure Washer Review. Westinghouse WPX3400e Real Driveway Results. Ever stand in your driveway, staring at layers of grime that just will not budge? I remember a Saturday morning, hose in hand, realizing an hour of scrubbing barely made a difference. It is frustrating. You want serious cleaning power without turning your garage into a gas station. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone, are you? When pressure washing drags on, it eats your weekend and your patience. I once watched a neighbor wrestle with a weak washer for hours, only to leave faint streaks behind. That dull hum of wasted effort feels heavy. Over time, it becomes quiet burnout. There has to be a cleaner, calmer way to handle stubborn concrete and siding. Then, the Westinghouse WPX3400e electric pressure washer stepped in as the practical upgrade. Don't just pick any electric pressure washer. Make sure it has a true brushless motor so you avoid constant maintenance headaches and early motor wear. With 3,400 max PSI and up to 2.0 max GPM at lower pressure settings, it delivers the kind of focused force that lifts driveway stains and patio buildup without gas fumes or pull starts. The brushless motor runs quieter and is designed for longer life, while the axial 3-piston auto-stop pump helps conserve energy and reduce wear. The half-gallon onboard soap tank simplifies car washing and deck cleaning, and the 5 quick connect nozzles let you shift from turbo blasting to gentle rinsing in seconds. A friend of mine nearly postponed hosting guests because his driveway looked rough. In under an hour with this unit, the surface looked refreshed and even. Problem solved. The 25-foot Superflex hose and 35-foot GFCI cord extend your reach, and the steel frame with never flat wheels makes moving around feel stable rather than awkward. There is a small bonus most overlook. M22 compatibility opens the door to surface cleaners and foam cannons for even more versatility. Living with the Westinghouse WPX3400e electric pressure washer feels noticeably smoother. Instead of planning a full day around cleaning, you start knocking out sections in focused sessions. Experts often describe it as one of the more powerful electric models in its class, highlighting the brushless motor as a durability advantage over traditional brush designs. One influencer mentioned appreciating the lack of fumes and quieter operation during neighborhood use, especially for early morning jobs. An industry review noted that the combination of high max PSI and included nozzle set makes it adaptable across decks, siding, fences, and driveways. A homeowner I spoke with said, "It actually feels ready out of the box," pointing to the straightforward setup and included accessories. I noticed the same. Assembly took minutes, not hours. Now, is it a replacement for every heavy-duty gas unit? Not always, especially for commercial scale jobs. But for residential surfaces, it strikes a smart balance between power and simplicity. See why so many homeowners prefer electric convenience with real pressure behind it. When was the last time your washer felt easy instead of intimidating? That shift alone changes how often you clean. The Westinghouse WPX3400e electric pressure washer brings together high PSI performance, brushless durability, and everyday usability in one balanced package. It is built for homeowners who want gas-like cleaning strength without gas upkeep. Join the many users already reporting smoother driveway sessions and easier car washes. Results may vary based on surface and technique. If you are ready to upgrade your outdoor cleaning routine, click the link and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.